Hey, what if Newton got it wrong? Hi, I'm Lucy with Nerd Girl News. Newton said an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. This clip clearly shows someone throwing a ball and the ball is curving in midair. No wind and no outside force to make it turn. What you are seeing is called the Coriolis effect. This is a fictitious force that appears to an observer located on a rotating body. We call it fictitious because the ball is actually traveling in a straight line. However, since the observer is rotating, the ball seems to divert from its expected path. Now, it may be fictitious, but this is also a very real phenomenon that causes hurricanes, tornadoes, and controls the way the water in your toilet bowl spins. In the northern hemisphere, your toilet water drains clockwise. In the southern hemisphere, it drains counterclockwise. The Earth is in constant motion. It revolves around the sun and rotates on its axis. If the Earth were stationary, our atmosphere would be very different. Convection currents would carry hot air from the equator to the poles, where it would cool and again return to the equator in a simple back and forth pattern. As the Earth spins, the Coriolis effect causes the air in the northern hemisphere to appear to be deflected to the right. In the southern hemisphere, it goes to the left. Here is a little playground science to demonstrate. We are going to use this merry-go-round to show the Coriolis effect. When the merry-go-round is stationary, the balls always travel straight. A stationary observer. An observer on the merry-go-round. However, when we start spinning, things get interesting. Our stationary observer still sees the balls going straight. But the observer on the merry-go-round sees the balls following a curved path. So, good news! Newton got it right. But our real world is made up of complex motions that are often defined by interesting and complex reference planes that may be governed by their own motion and angular momentum.